Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculating mountain heights from z-scores is actually super simple if you follow this quick 3-step process to find the correct order for these 4 peaks. To compare the mountains, we convert every z-score into feet using the formula height equals mean plus z-score times standard deviation. Let's go. This setup makes the math really easy. Now, calculate the specific heights for Granite and McDonald peaks. Granite is above the mean while McDonald is below it. You got this. Just plug in those values right now. Finally, list all 4 heights from lowest to highest, 9816, 10157, 11214, and 12804. This matches option D perfectly. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't ignore z-scores or reverse the order. Use the formula and sort them ascending instead.